Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me device with the Android 14, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable power saving mode on the Android 14. To do it, firstly we need to open the settings application. So open the settings, then scroll down and find battery here. And here, as you can see, here we have battery saver. And just click use battery saver. And at Android 14 we have extreme battery saver. Of course, firstly you need to click on the settings button to check essential apps and to check frequency use. For example, I want to add calculator, and maybe YouTube music. Okay. It will make my extreme battery saver mode literally useless, but I'll try it. And great, now we have enabled the extreme battery saver mode. In the extreme battery saver mode, as you can see, includes all changes listed above, also powers non-essential apps and their notifications. So of course I will not have the notification from the calculator, but all applications that you will not add in this list in essential apps, all applications will be removed from your RAM, removed from your temporary storage. It means that if you have, for example, Messenger or WhatsApp, and you will not add your WhatsApp to the essential list, so you will not get the message at the time when extreme battery saver mode will be enabled. So I suggest you add your messengers, add your, I don't know, WhatsApp, Telegram, Viber and other applications to essential mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.